What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and like I said in the last headlight build video, we're going to be wiring up the demon dies. And also guys, remember tomorrow's video, which will be Friday, we're actually going to be talking about the t-shirt giveaway, and that'll actually be the first opportunity to win a shirt. So make sure that your bell is clicked beside the subscribe button so you'll get those post notifications. It'll send you an email when I post the video. And most likely, if you're the first person to watch that video, you'll be the first person to have the opportunity to get the shirt. So I'll see you all then. And I almost forgot, guys, we also have some parts in for our new build for the RS 8.0 TC. So can't wait to show you guys that too. So let's go ahead and we'll wire those demon dies. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start hooking up the demon eyes, and then the headlight build will be completely done. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys step by step how we're going to hook those up and how we're going to mount the drivers to them underneath. And then of course you have that other wire that comes out that taps into your hot wire on your low beams. So that way when you turn your low beams on, the demon die will actually turn off, so you don't have like dual colors in your low beams. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. Alright guys, so with the demon dies, we're going to do the same thing that we did for the halos. So as you can see, you've got these ends coming off of them, and that's what's going to your positive on your low beam right here. So when you turn your low beams on, it'll kill the demon die, so the demon die light isn't on with the low beams. So basically what we've done is we've cut it out about right here, and we've took those two wires and soldered them together to one. So you can either use this wire or other black wire that you have left over. So you just have one wire that you're going to tap into. You don't have to tap both of them into your low beams, because that would just be stupid, and you would have this big bush underneath your freaking car right here, which as you can see you've already got a lot of other wires, so it's good to limit this down. So it's basically the same thing that we did for the turn signals. Alright, so here is my low beam socket. And as you can see, what we did is we just took the factory heat shrink right here and just cut a little square out of it right here. And we're just going to go ahead and we're either, what are we going to use, the tapper?
We'll solder it.
So we're actually going to cut this right here, and then we will solder both of those back together with our new solder point, which is what we just made right here. Now I know this wire is black, but we just looked at the instructions, and this is going to the positive for the interrupt. Alright, so as you can see now we've got it soldered. We've got our heat shrink over the wire right here. Right there, really good. It's all nice and clean. And then now we're just going to take this OEM heat shrink and kind of put it back over it and then tape it to where it's still kind of closed and protected. Okay, so here's our halo bush. So as you guys can see, we've got the two leads going into the Bluetooth boxes right here, and the black and the black, so there both of those are. And then you've got the one coming out, we cooled it up all nice and neat right here, and then it's clipping into the demon die running up right here. And then we've got the other one running to the other side with the other ones right under here, run straight across with all the other ones that we did in the halo video up through here, and then connected back right down there with the demon die. So there's how the wiring is again. You guys can kind of see it. And then right up here we've tucked our, back up here is where we've tucked and hooked the low beam back up. So right there, you guys can't really see it. So right there's that connector right here. So hopefully that helps explain everything. And as you can see, it is a lot of wiring for the halos, but I think it's definitely worth it because these headlights look crazy on the car, and it definitely turns people's heads when you're going down the road. But as you can see, it can be done pretty well. Just as long as you make sure that you label everything, you should be good. And just make sure you label it a bunch. Like we double labeled these on the drivers and on the end of each wire and everything, so if we have to take it off, it'll be easy for us to put it back on. And then just kind of use your OEM harnesses to run the wires across so it stays looking clean. and then you can also use those to mount your drivers on too. So if there's any questions on this, you can also ask me, like send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, and I can kind of help you guys walk through it. And then as you can see right up here is our Bluetooth drivers that are hid. Alright, so I got the halos off for this demonstration, and as you can see they're both green right now. I'll show you on this side. So now when we go over here and we turn the low beams on the headlights, okay, and now we go back. As you can see, it's not putting out two different colors, it's only putting out the white light of the headlight. And the same for over here, just the headlight. So that's pretty much what you're doing. So now when you turn them back off, see how they pop right back to the green on both sides. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the demon die video. I hope this helps you guys out with hooking up your demon dies and everything. Of course this is on a TC, but it's pretty much the same for any car. So I'll show you again, now that our headlight build is complete. Here is what they look like, and hopefully you can kind of get it in camera. It's so hard to film these lights because they're so freaking bright. So there's what it all looks like together, and these are actually purple and the demon die is red, but the camera's not really picking it up good. So let me switch them real quick. So it's really easy. You just go right here and open it up, and then you'll let them sync, and they're still with us, so we can go right here, and now I can just grab it and turn, and as you can see the demon die is changing. There you can kind of see the angle better right there. You got the blue, the pink, the red, the yellow, and the green. So that's pretty cool how you can switch those, independently. And it looks really cool from the front. I'll probably end up riding it with, as you guys know, I like purple. This purple I have on it right there is kind of like a pinkish purple, but I'll switch it back to the same purple as my underglow, and I'll probably have the demon dyes red just because it looks mean and cool. But anyway, like I was saying before, if you guys have any questions about the wiring and stuff down here, I know it's kind of hard, to go through it and stuff because there is a lot of wiring in this. So if you guys have any questions on that, I would be happy to help you anytime. But as for this video and as for the headlight build, we're pretty much complete. So I really hope you guys like the build, and we've got plenty more stuff coming for the car. Don't think this is it. Lots more fun to be had on the channel. So please follow the build and hit the subscribe button, and like this video if it helped you out, and comment if you have any ideas of ways to do it better. I'm definitely not saying that I'm the best. There's definitely other ways that you could do this, or other ways that you could wire it and stuff. So if you guys have any comments or any ways to do it better, comment it down below, and then people watching the video, they can see those comments and it'll help them with their build. But anyway guys, I'll see you all next time. Peace out, and remember to build your masterpiece.